Good morning, everyone. Cassandra Goode coming to you live from our home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, this video is all about the truth is. The truth is. Now, if you all been on my channel, you notice for quite some time I haven't been uploading videos. Now, I've been making them, but I actually have not been uploading them to the channel. And there was a reason for it. Call it intuition, call it my spirit led me not to do it. Call it what you want to call it, except an excuse, because it's not an excuse. You see, I've been sitting back and I've been looking at other people just pump out content after content after content, only to turn around and pitch people during a time that people really truly need solutions. They need solutions to their pain that virus has brought through our nation, the country, and around the world. And see, for me, I'm a little bit more touchy feely than the average person. I really, truly care whether or not people get it, understand it, can comprehend it, and can duplicate exactly what I've tried to convey to them. And it really bothers me. It's like a little stickler in my side when I see so many people go after loop after loop after loop. Now, a lot of people like to call this the shiny object syndrome. But we're not at a time, nor have we ever really been, but we're not at a time where people can just start swiping cards, whether it's credit cards or debit cards or whatever, and taking massive risk as to whether or not they can really do an opportunity or build an opportunity, at least to the point that is satisfactory to them and their household, to their families. You see, a lot of this stuff is being pitched at you day in, day out. Even on my videos, there's ads that come up. Of course, once you reach a certain level and you start to partner with YouTube and you create value and content on this media, then those ads will show up. But let me tell you something. I've taken several months. I've dove in. I've even spent some of my money to see just how valuable, just how easy these so-called ads and opportunities would really help people. Saying, oh, I'm helping you get to 50, 60, $70,000 per month in 30, 60, and 90 days. Now, let me just say this as an income disclaimer. Is it possible? Yes. Does it happen for 99% of the people? No. Because see what actually happens after you get through the shiny object of forking over your debit card or forking over your credit card. Because see what they don't tell you is once they get you in that coaching call and you just look at this video for 30 minutes. We're giving you a 7-day, 14-day free trial. That free trial stuff, honestly, is stuff that you can find scattered all over the internet. What they've done is condensed it, gave it to you, and packaged it like it's value, only to boost and play with your emotions so you'll feel confident enough that at the end of the 7 day, at the end of the 14 day, you will definitely swipe that credit card or that debit card and pay anywhere between 5,000 and upwards of $30,000 or more just to enter the platform that has nothing to do with going in and being able to utilize the platform. Because I promise you, after you pay that, there's an a la carte of all the services that you need to be successful, just like the original video and just like the original authentic, so to speak, intro told you from the beginning. So you see, I've been sitting back and I've been researching. Now, I'm not going to say what I do is the best. That's not what I'm saying. But what I have learned is over time, one thing has always reigned true. is that people's money and patience have run out before they've seen true momentum in their chosen business. And that's where people get stuck. That's where people get the mindset that something doesn't work, that doesn't work, and that doesn't work, and that doesn't work. If you notice you're on my channel, I don't share a whole bunch of stuff. And the things that I do share, guess what? I'm still sharing them. Why? Because they've proven the test of time, and I show my team exactly how to be consistent. Now it's up to you whether or not you want to be consistent. And each and every person that comes across my desk, comes across my mobile device, comes across my landline, comes across my screen, always ask me, Cassandra, what's the best way to do? Or what's the best way to start? And I always tell them, you have to assess your own situation to start something. Just because this person over here started at a higher level doesn't mean that you won't secure a degree of success because you come in at a lower level. The difference is the consistency into which you work on a regular basis that would determine your degree of success. I've seen people come in at high ticket and fizzle out. I've seen people come in at low ticket, and because they are the little engine that could, would, and continue, they have a higher ratio of success. So, why am I saying this? I'm saying this simply because so many of you are out there are going from opportunity to opportunity to opportunity saying they don't work. But have you ever asked yourself, have you worked the opportunity? I'm not saying go in and market it once or twice or market it for a week and don't see no immediate lotto gratification. No, I'm talking about day in, day out, day in, day out. You see, you go to a job every day. You know what your schedule is. You know at the time you're supposed to go to that job. And you show up every single day like clockwork. And you're making someone else rich. You're securing someone else's future. But why won't you do it for yourself? Why won't you show up every single day like clockwork? Put in the time, the energy for yourself. There are mental blocks when it comes to that. And a lot of times we have discerning beliefs about things. And that's what prohibits a person from being able to break through barriers. And what I would always say to someone is first, let's work with your mindset. Because going from a traditional business or a traditional job where you actually are conditioned to get up at a certain time, get yourself together, go through traffic, go to that job site, clock in, perform those types of duties, get off, come home, voila, and repeat this year after year after year. It's totally different than getting up, because see, now you're creating your own alarm clock. What time do you get up to work on your business? Is it the same time, or you so comfortable that I'm in my own business, this, that, and other? What time is it? See, conditioning for a job is totally different than conditioning for your own business. You have to have the discipline to do that. And it takes time. It's a transition. Truly it is. I've seen some people get windfalls, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and they get comfortable. Oh, I'm going to take a trip. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. But no, you haven't really touched the surface. You're out partying, you out, oh, I gotta do this, and everybody's birthday, and somebody's this, that, and the other. But unless you, honestly, now I'm gonna say this, and I might touch some souls, I might hit some spirits, I might shake some hearts. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna say this. I didn't quit my job until I was debt free, cleared all of my credit cards, paid off my car. I did what I needed to do and then made sure that I was sitting on $80,000 in the bank. Why? Because half of that was my yearly salary. What does that mean? That means that I gotta grind for at least 2 years. I want to maximize. I want to elevate, double what I had in the bank. Then once I get to that point, double what I have in the bank. Double, kept doubling, kept doubling, kept doubling. Now, you might have a different stance on that, and that's fine. But in today's world of uncertainty, you need to humble yourself, stick with an opportunity, stick with a marketing plan that you can master. See, that's another thing. People say, well, so and so told me to do Facebook, and so told me to do LinkedIn, and so told me to do IG, and so told me. Find what you're comfortable with doing, master it. Then find something else that you're comfortable doing, master it. Each time you master something, now you have a consistent flow of what you're doing daily towards your business that you're now disciplined in. That's how I did it. It might look easy. You might say, oh, well, she's doing this for years, years, years. What do you think my day one was like? I had the shiny object syndrome at one time. You know what it got me? More debt. More debt. Because I didn't have a direction. I didn't have organization. I didn't have, I mean, I promise you, managing my time was all over the place. It was all over the place. But I will tell you this. When you organize by prioritizing what you have before you, whatever business you're choosing. Like I said, doesn't have to be any of the businesses that I share with you. But whatever you're passionate about, whatever you seek, and you say, I want to do that, you have to get focused, laser focused. You have to discipline yourself, and you have to work on this mindset. It's not an overnight process. It's daily. Every single day I'm working on my mindset. Why? Because every single day things come. People got negative vices to say this, that. Surrounding yourself with positive people, surrounding yourself with people of influence, surrounding yourself with people that you look up to, people that you want to see how they're doing things. Get connected. Make sure whatever it is that you want and you see someone else is doing it, find out how you can build a relationship with them so you can learn from them. I'm still learning. I'm going to learn till the day I die. Thank you, Father. But I'm letting you know, so many of you all are doing it the wrong way. You'll join this and join that. Before you know it, you just swipe the card. If you're lucky, a couple $100. But the horror stories that I'm hearing, people are swiping cards for thousands of dollars. And in 2 weeks, they're not even in the same thing they just swiped the card for. It's not good. And it's not healthy. It's not allowing you to reach your goals. What it's doing is putting you in debt. putting you in debt. I'm not going to get into a whole bunch of books or anything like that, but when you read Robert Kiyosaki, you learn which quadrant you want to be in, which one allows you to work smart, which one will give you the life that you deserve. And that's important. Organizing yourself, making sure that you're using your time wisely, finding the skill set of marketing that you're strong in and mastering it, and using the right vehicle with it will make you elevate by leaps and bounds. This is something I do day in, day out. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And that's why I'm talking to you today. So, to great successes, I thank you so much for sliding through here or dropping by on my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do go back and look at my old videos. Look at the newer ones. See what I'm up to. And I promise you, behind each one of them, you will see why I'm connected to that platform. The energy, the time that I put in to make each platform that I share with you successful. There's a reason why. I'm not all over the place because I promise you, when you overwhelm yourself, you're treading backwards. And information overload is something that 99% of the people that are coming onto this space, especially now through this pandemic, are experiencing. And they will have gone through 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 or more different opportunities, each one saying this did not work, and find themselves even more frustrated than before. So take your time, go through and think about what I share with you. Because I promise you, I'm only sharing it because I care. This is not a promotion of anything, although in my description, I do share what I'm a part of. On my channel, I share what I'm a part of and what I will continue to be a part of successfully. Okay? So, guys, thank you so much for coming through, listening in, and just taking stock in where you are in your journey right now. And if there's some things that you need to reorganize or whatever, so that you can start going upward and not sliding backwards. Let me know if I can help. Email me at askcassandragoode@gmail.com, and I definitely send some information over to you. Other than that, have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. It's the beginning of a new month of October, beginning of a new season. A season, like I told you, it is your season to win. It is your season for abundance, and it's your season for freedom. You guys have a great, great day. Definitely hit the like, leave me some comments, and other than that, please subscribe to my channel. Love to have you. Y'all have a great day.